Hello and welcome to Key Harmony Piano Academy. In today's video, we will discuss about staff, parts of a notes, ledger lines, and staff notes. What is a staff? A staff is a set of 5 horizontal lines and 4 spaces. Notes are placed on these lines and spaces to represent different musical pitches. The position of a note on the staff indicate how high or low the notes sound. The next topic is parts of a notes. What is a note head? A note head is oval shaped. It can be filled or open. Open note head is used in a whole note and a half note. Filled note head is used in a quarter note. A stem is a vertical line attached to the note head. It helps to indicate note duration, how long to play the note. Flag. A flag is a curve marked attached to the end of the stem. Ledger lines. Ledger lines is a short horizontal line used in musical notation to extend the staff above or below its standard 5 lines. Staff notes. White keys are the natural keys in the musical alphabet. These notes repeat in the same order across the entire keyboard. These repeat in the pattern of C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Middle C. Middle C is located near the center of the keyboard. It's the white key directly to the left of the group of two black keys. D is a white key between the two black keys, that is C sharp and D sharp, immediately right of middle C. E note is a white key to the right of D, just before the group of three black keys. F is a white key immediately left of the group of three black keys. G is a white key between the first and the second black key of the group of three black keys. A is a white key between the second and the third black key of the group of three black keys. B is a white key to the right of A just before the C. Black keys are named as sharps and the flats. Sharp. When a sharp is placed before the note is raised to the next black key or the white key to the right. Flat. When a flat is placed before the note is lowered to the next black key or white key to the left. Black key notes C sharp or D flat. C sharp is a half step above C and D flat is a half step below D. Both are the same key and are found immediately right to the white key C. It is the first black key in the group of two black keys. D sharp or E flat is the second black key in the group of two black keys. D sharp is a half step above D and E flat is a half step below E. Both are the same key and are located between the white keys, that is D and E. F sharp or G flat is the first black key in the group of three black keys. F sharp is a half step above F and G flat is a half step below G. Found between F and G. G sharp or A flat is the second black key in the group of three black keys. G sharp is a half step above G and A flat is a half step below A. A sharp or B flat is a black key in the group of three black keys. A sharp is half step above A and B flat is a half step below D. It lies between A and B. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel.